respected father, Vice Principal Ma'am Kiran, and my colleagues and my dear students. Today we are observing World Bicycle Day. Dear students, June 3rd is celebrated as World Bicycle Day. This year, 2023, the 6th World Bicycle Day is being observed in April 2018. The United Nations General Assembly declared June 3rd as International World Bicycle Day. The bicycle can serve as a tool for personal development as well as a means of gaining access to education, health care and sports. The bicycle is one of the most important inventions in the history of the planet. It provides millions of people with a means of transport powered by nothing other than their bodies. It's practical, reliable and helps one to stay fit. Many find that it's a fun and hassle-free way to get around and take care of daily tasks. The United Nations launched World Bicycle Day for several reasons. The first was to recognize the sheer transformative impact of the bicycle on society. Pedal cycle gives even the poorest people in the world access to transport service. The bicycle is a long-serving mode of transportation which has helped practically every human community worldwide. All cultures and people alike can partake in the celebration and show their love for cycling. The third purpose is to highlight the fact that many cities ignore the needs of pedestrians and cyclists. Policymakers have a bias towards the motor vehicles serving its need instead of using environmentally sound alternatives. World Bicycle Day therefore is a chance to raise awareness of the benefits of cycle and promote measures to ensure better sharing of the roads. It's chance for people to demand improvements to road safety and cycling mobility throughout a change in policies and measurable activity that protects and promotes the safety of riders and pedestrians. The fourth purpose is to help save lives and reduce poverty. Investing in pedestrians and cycle routes in cities can help cut the rate of death while also taking traffic off the roads and investing in safer modes of intercity travel. Promoting cycle can also help to reduce poverty in the poorest member of the community. Access to transportation, they can more easily commute to place of work. It helps them to achieve greater health equality by reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, some cancer, diabetes and even death. The World Bicycle Day is something that anyone can get involved with even if they don't ride a bike. Communities will thrive, their individuals will be in better health and the environment will take a turn for the better when cycling becomes the focus. There are so many positive results that emerge from World Bicycle Day that is certainly worth celebrating. It's an opportunity to spark more appreciation for this simple yet beneficial means of transportation and to get everyone thinking about all the good reasons cycling should receive acknowledgement and public attention. Thank you. Here I am concluding my speech.